What's up, you guys? Good to see you here on Grassroots Gardening. So we got a weed eater going in the background, but that's okay. You'll just have to put up with it. I wanted to share a recent purchase that I made. So my Uncle Bob recently passed away, and he lived a long, good life, all the way up to the ripe age of 95 years old. But we're at his house today in Aiken, South Carolina. I want to give you guys a preview of the yard because we have got a bunch of work to do. Don't we, Coco?
Yes, we do.
Got our buddy Coco, who you don't often see on the Grassroots Gardening channel, but every once in a while.
Every now and then.
A lot on the Mr. Dig channel.
Absolutely. I'm super excited to be on this side of things though, because this is my jam.
Yeah, so I'm gonna purchase this house. We're gonna redo the entire yard inside, and we're gonna flip this house, and you guys get to come along on the journey. We've got a lot of work to do. We're not gonna go inside today because, well, it's too much for one video, but I wanted to at least show you guys the outside, show you the landscaping and what I'm thinking about doing. Now, unfortunately, Uncle Bob kind of crashed his car through the garage.
Fender bender.
A little fender bender.
Happens to the best of us.
Yeah, so I got some structural repairs to be made there, but the landscape really needs a lot of updating and new stuff.
What are you thinking? You're going to take out all of these bushes? They are very stuffy.
They are. Yeah, we're gonna pretty much redo it now.
Everything out?
I want to leave the camellias. There might be a few here and there that I just prune back and leave, but just come in here, add some color, add some pop, put some fresh mulch down. Paco is on the hedge trimmer or weed eater or edger or something over there. We got this huge island out here that hasn't been pruned correctly. Azalea bed there, Japanese maple, nice big dogwood that we'll definitely leave.
Yeah, that's
But y'all leave your comments below of what you think would look good here. Now, one thing, Coco, I was thinking right in front of this nice bay window is to put one of the bubbling urns from Aquascape.
That would be gorgeous.
That would add some pop right here, you know, at the main entrance. Just a single little urn right there. Do some nice annuals maybe around it or what have you.
That would be gorgeous.
That'll add a lot. The irrigation, I think, still works. I got to put a new timer in to check the whole irrigation to see if it's still intact.
What is this we have right here?
A little crepe myrtle.
Yeah?
Yep, so evidently they cut the old one down, and so these are just suckers that have come back up. Not exactly sure. We definitely don't want it right there because it blocks that window.
All this crepe murder in the south.
That thing has been crepe murdered. But we definitely don't want that there. Put some low-lying shrubs in here, maybe some drift roses, some other lower shrubs so that we don't block the window. We got some cleara on either side, which is okay. That's a nice evergreen. And then what I'm most excited about is back here in the back. It has got huge potential.
It sure does.
The ACs are kind of tucked in here, hidden back here in this little spot. We got to put a new unit in for the upstairs. The deck, unfortunately, has got to be redone. It's rotten. Nice storage underneath, though.
The footprint of it is really great.
Yeah, it's a huge deck.
It's a huge deck.
It is. So we're going to redo that, and then this is of course the back side of the house. We got to get it repainted.
I got excited when you were talking about how you were going to kind of push this back to the property line and all of the plantings that you would do.
Yeah, I love doing shade plantings, y'all, and I never get the opportunity to. We got these huge wax leaf ligustums right here, but this yard is probably double. We could make it double in size if we just clear out from underneath all these ligustums, chop these low-hanging limbs. This would be a beautiful hosta bed. Hydrangeas, maybe even put a little picnic table or a bench. That's what I was looking for. Maybe a bench back here, have a little meditation garden.
I mean, these trees, if you can kind of see back through here, really are beautiful.
They are.
I mean,
it's a nice shaded area. We could, well, man, we can plant so much cool stuff in here.
Absolutely.
The hostas would be just amazing. Put some mulch down through here. This is going to be awesome when we get done, but it's going to be some work, girl.
It will. We have to roll up our sleeves for sure.
We can get it. But yeah, same scenario as we continue around the backyard. Just a lot of underbrush that we've got to get cleaned up. But man, the potential of this place is really here. That goes way back. Got some nice big pines to give us some shade. Yeah, we're just gonna have to get in here with the chainsaw and do some clearing, but that goes way back yonder.
I'm gonna bring my machete.
There you go. Bring your machete, girl. Nice big, that's a walnut. Look at the walnuts hanging on that thing. Oh yeah, this is gonna be beautiful. I'm gonna put a raised bed over here and go ahead and plant it. Use it kind of as a staging prop for when we do get ready to sell the house. But that's gonna be quite a while down the road. Don't you think that'd be cool, Coco?
What's that?
Put a little raised bed right here and go ahead and plant some stuff in it, you know?
Oh, absolutely.
Make the new homeowners a little garden.
Yeah, because
cool.
they want to be able to, you know, picture themselves.
Yeah, envision
here,
it. Yeah,
and absolutely. And this is the perfect spot for that.
yeah, it really is. Nice big backyard. Got some decent grass back here.
Oh yeah.
Potential out the wazoo, you guys. Do not like the purple color of the house though. Definitely gonna have to repaint that. Roof's still in good shape. This is gonna be a fun project.
It sure will.
Well guys, there's just a little sneak peek of what you can expect here on the channel. So like I said, if you guys want to watch along as the yard and the house transition, it's going to be a lot of work. I can't wait to show you guys the inside, but we'll save that for another video. I appreciate you watching. The more you know, the more you grow. We'll see you on the next video.